To add an image to a DIY website page, I'll have to log in first. So this is my website, and I'll go to the admin panel. I'll select the page. This is the page that I'll edit and add an image. Because I'd like to add an image between the title and that piece of text, I'll use that plus button on the right. Select an image. Then the default image pops up here. Use the pencil button on the image to upload my own. Then I can specify a URL or an alternative text, like that. Sorry. It's important to specify alternative text because it will display if the image is not there for some reason, and also a good practice for the search engines. Now I'm ready to publish my page to make that image available to everyone.